In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a quiz on Kahoot. It is quite easy. You just have to follow the steps. First, go to kahoot.com and from here you can sign up for free. There you will go to teacher's account and then select school here. Either you may go sign up through your email or continue with Google, as I have continued with Google. And this is how you will come to your home page. This is your personal home page, and here we will click on create a new Kahoot. There you will sign up here, and here comes the quiz part. Here there are the question types on the right hand sidebar. Either you create a quiz, add on true false here. The other options are for the paid plan. Similarly, there is a time for each question. You may go for 20 seconds, 10 seconds. I may go for 10 seconds because it's a simple quiz, a science quiz for students. The points are standard because it's a free sign up. Now let me start adding the question here, and this is for grade 5 students, I said. So I'm just creating 2 to 3 questions for them, and the answers, you will add different answers here by seeds or different options we will actually add here, and then we will click on the right one later. You may add 2 options, you may add 3 options, that's totally up to you, and then just select the right one. After that, you may also add an image here. You can even search for those images, and you may select any one. After selecting, let's add the image here, then add question. This time, after quiz, I'll select true or false. Again, I'll write the statement here, everywhere. And the answer is true. Similarly, you can insert an image here, and okay, this is for the paid one. I may not be able to select this, so I won't be able to add picture here. After this, I will just save it here, and I will enter the title here. Classifying living things. There are description optional. Definitely you may add description as well, and you will continue. This is how you will save it, and it's all done, and it's added here. And after that, I may assign it to my students later.